Hi, I'm Dr. Vinita. I'm a senior consultant in Cloudline Hospital, High-Tech City branch in Hyderabad. So sometimes it is not always possible that women can have only one cesarean or two cesareans. For some reasons, people might plan bigger family, or there was problems in the first cesarean, baby hasn't survived, or we have a need to do many cesareans. Generally, everyone will ask, is it safe to go for a second? Is it safe to go for a third? Is it safe to go for more, like four? Can we still plan a bigger family? So the risks that can be involved can be very varied. Some women will have a lot of risks even with one cesarean. The second cesarean might be the most complicated. But for some, the fourth, fifth cesarean is also not that complicated and we can do it more safely. When can we say that women will have complications? When we do a cesarean, the second cesarean, we can then see what are the structures that are quite stuck inside, or the uterus is very scarred or thinned out. Then for them, we will tell in that cesarean itself that it might not be very safe to go for a third one or fourth one. Because when the scar is so thin, the next pregnancy, the chance of the scar giving way is very high. But for some, we encourage them to go for a vaginal delivery at least after a cesarean. So we will not have more scars, more risks or complications. So increasing the vaginal births after cesarean can also be helpful if you are planning a bigger family. Now we are even suggesting or carefully considering women who have two previous cesarean sections also to have a vaginal delivery if possible. Obviously, there are so many things that we'll consider before we can advise you on this. But how many, like after fourth or fifth, we have to really take a call of where is it we have to stop. If there is a lot of structures that are stuck and densely involved, the chance of damage to bladder, the chance of damage to bowel are increased at each cesarean. So that's why there is a limit. So when things are really stuck in the second cesarean, then consider third one very, very carefully, or accept the risk of these injuries to whatever is surrounding the uterus and then plan the next. But very rarely for some women, even after first cesarean or the number of cesareans as they go up, the chance of the placenta, that is the afterbirth, forming at the cesarean scar is also going to be high. So once the placenta gets stuck to that scar, then the chance of very, very heavy bleeding, almost risking the life of mother, is quite high. So when you have that problem, then cesarean hysterectomy means removing the whole uterus at the time of cesarean might be necessitated or required in some. The more number of deliveries you have, the more chance of bleeding around the time of delivery. If not for a scar, consider that also in the factors when you are planning many cesareans.